If you've been diagnosed with fatty liver disease, this is your wake-up call. No doctor, no pill, no quick fix is going to save your liver unless you take charge. Healing starts with you. And believe it or not, one of the most powerful tools to reduce liver-damaging inflammation is your breath. Fatty liver is often driven by stress, poor sleep, and inflammation, not just diet. When your stress levels stay high, your body produces excess cortisol, the stress hormone. And high cortisol? It leads to more fat stored in the liver, more inflammation, and a slower metabolism. Here's the good news. You can lower cortisol and calm inflammation in minutes a day, just by breathing intentionally. Let me show you how. 1. Box breathing. Inhale for 4 seconds. Hold for 4. Exhale for 4. Hold again for 4. Do this for just 2 minutes. It resets your nervous system and lowers cortisol fast. 2. 4-7-8 breathing. Inhale for 4 seconds. Hold for 7. Exhale slowly for 8. This technique is amazing for winding down at night and supporting liver repair during sleep. 3. Resonance breathing. This one's simple. Breathe in for 5 seconds, out for 5 seconds. Do 5 to 6 breaths per minute. It boosts your vagus nerve, your body's built-in anti-inflammatory system. These breathing exercises may sound simple, but they're backed by science, used by Navy SEALs, and proven to lower inflammation, improve insulin sensitivity, and even help your liver process fat more efficiently. They cost nothing. You can do them anywhere. And most importantly, they put you back in control of your health. You don't need to be perfect to start healing. You just need to start. Add 5 minutes of breathing to your daily routine. Support it with whole foods, movement, and rest. Because when you take full responsibility for your health, that's when healing begins. Food is medicine.